Sanibona sithandwa zami. Happy Easter, Easter weekend. Welcome to yet another Sex on Sunday la ku Dr. Nomcebo Mthembu Network. Ngiyanimukela sithandwa zami kule platform yethu. Uyazi ke nawe asijajani kule platform lana, siyasupportana, siyakhulisana. Ayikho i-topic that is too deep. Ayikho i-topic esizinyeza ngayo. Ayikho futhi into esingakhulumi ngayo kule platform yethu ka Dr. Nomcebo Mthembu ku YouTube. So if awukaka subscribe, hamba usubscribe, ulike, ufake notification button. Kule weekend ke sithandwa zami, it's an Easter weekend njoba ngishilo, and uyazi ke nawe Easter is about ukuvuselela, ukuvuselelwa i-connection, ukuvuselela imndeni, and we're rebuilding and we're reconnecting, not just ngokwenkolo yethu, not just futhi ngokwemndeni, but also you need to reconnect nangawe nje, ukuthi what is happening kuwena within you, kuze ngesikhathi su-connecta nomuntu wakho, wena su-right ngawo. So sithandwa zami ngithe this time let me go deep ngenye indlela, ngeni deep ngontomzodwa, angeni deep ngovusmuzi, kodwa ngithi let's go deep emotionally. Kungenzeka yini ukuthi uthimulele nomuntu, you are connecting more than just the moans and the touches and the smells, but i-connection yenu is spiritual. Kungenzeka yini futhi ukuthi lezo zinto ziyahlala, they linger along, not just as memories, but ziyahlala kuwena, sometimes zibe izinto ezikuvalelayo and hindrances into your next relationship and hindrances even nasempilweni yakho. So khuluma ngaloko ke sithandwa zami. So go grab yourself your cup of tea, go grab yourself ikhandlela lakho, ngoba today we're going to reconnect nawe. But more sifuna ukuklinza i-system yakho, and we're rebooting your system spiritually kuma relationship akho, so that kule relationship okuyona ube suvavavumd, ube su-new, ube su-renewed this Easter. So go grab a candle, go grab your wine, go grab a blanket yakho. We're going to get intimate, not Dr. Nomcebo. Lubricant abanye bangaze bazitshela ukuthi uyigcoba mhlambe unenkinga zokuthi womile, noma unenkinga ukuthi umuntu wakho awumuzwa. Namhlanje sizongena deep phakathi kuyona inkomo. Si-explore zonke indawo kwinkomo. Lapho lokushisa khona, lapho lokumnandi khona. Mengithinta lathi kuyashisa baby. Mengithinta la baby kuyashisa baby. Okay ke sithandwa zami. Kuke kwenzeke yini kuwena uthi kade u-physical nomuntu wakho niyadavazana kahle, kodwa uzizwe nje kunento esalelayo, uzwe nje ngathi unokusindwa thizeni ngalowo muntu, uthi kunangakusasa uzwa ngathi hayibo umthwele la nasenhlizweni nomphefumulo, uzwe nje ukuthi angathi lo muntu ukhona. Lalela, lento ingenzeka kahle futhi ingenzeka kabi. Kokunye kungawukuthi nje uyamuzwa nje noma ucabanga ngaye, noma ubhizi nje nento obhizi ngayo, kodwa uthi awini lento engisindayo, hawe uthando lakaSibanibani. Ukukuzwe lokho, or even uthola ukuthi senihlukene nalomuntu, kodwa kukhona into nje ukuthi makudlala iculo lakhe uzwe inhliziyo ithi ithi ukuskipha kancane, alright? Or ubona umuntu wakubo ube nento nje ushaywe uvalo kwesinye isikhathi, noma iperfume yakhe. So ube nezinto nje ozwayo ukuthi hey, lezi zinto uma ingikhumbuza yena lo muntu, kodwa ngiba novalo nje thizeni, ngiba novadlwana olukhona. Mhlawumbe ukucabanga ukuthi ngoba mhlawumbe ngiyamthanda nyoma. Ngizokutshela ke namhlanje lokho i-physics ye-energy, ngoba i-science ithi sonke si-connectekile by energy. Wena uyi-energy nje uzihambela, alright? As i-energy kune-law ye-thermodynamics ethi energy, ngizoyisho ngesingisi, okay, ngoba ngayifunda ngesingisi. Okay, ithi energy cannot be created or destroyed, but it is merely changed from one form to another. So lokho kusho ukuthini? Kusho ukuthi energy noma eyiphi energy awukwazi ukuthi uyi-destroy i-energy. Energy iyashintsha from iform eyodwa ishintshe ibe enye iform. So uma abantu ababili behlangana bezodavazana, lo uza ne-energy yakhe u-A, nalo eze ne-energy yakhe u-B, So ngokuhlangana kwenu, yes, kuhlangana imizimba yenu, kuhlangane zonke uju oluhlanganayo, kodwa nemoya iyahlangana. Okay? So every touch oyenzayo between nawe nalo muntu can become a trauma transfer. All right? Every moan kumnandi yesikunjalo, it becomes a memory. All right? So yonke into eniyenzayo, every connection eniyenzayo lo muntu into ekwaziyo ukuthi ihlale. Ngokwesayensi ke, uma izinto zama-particles, zama-vibrations, siya-vibrate, ngizonifaka science ke manje sithanga zami ngoba I've got a science degree as well. So everything, it vibrates, okay? So ngesikhathi lo evibrator ngeyakhe energy nalo evibrator ngeyakhe energy, yoma yini, once yahlangana leyo nto, bamukelane energy yabo. So ukuthi lebehlukana khona, kancane kancane lo ngapha unayo le energy yalo ngapha, nalo ngapha futhi unayo energy yalo ngapha. So kwenzeka njalo ke futhi nakumdavazo, uthi noma nihlangene nomuntu, nihlangana ngokomzimba, but emotionally niya-connect, spiritually niya-connect. I-history yakhe lo muntu sokukhona into oyifakile kuyena, naye futhi ngokunjalo i-past yakhe into adlule kuzona, even if lezo zinto kuwama-experience okukhula kwakhe, mhlambe lo muntu une-fear, unokusaba, unokuzinyeza, zonke lezo zinto kuba khona i-part yakhe ayifaka kuwe ngesikhathi nidavazana naye. Alright? But mhlambe ungazubona wena ngathi ngikusho ngendlela embi yokunegative, but nokuhle. So that is why uthola ukuthi umuntu nithi mase nithandana naye, uthi kade ucabanga nje ukuthi uthi ngimfonele, kanti naye uthi hawu baby namba ngithi angikufonele. Alright? Uthi uya-text umuntu hawu naye uyabhala lento, kusho ukuthi naye uyangitext at the same time. In fact nithi masenzwana ngempela, uthi mekhuluma omunye nomunye usemqedelela amazwi ukuthi hawu waze ngani ukuthi ngizoshintshe njalo, is because through sex we are connecting more than physically, but through sex we are also connecting ngako konke esiyiko as abantu. We are connecting ngama emotions ethu, but more it is our energies that are connecting us each time uhlangana nomuntu nidavazana naye. So le law of thermodynamics engicede ukuyisho nje ngesilungu isho ukuthi noma yini energy, alright, leyo nto awukwazi ukuthi uyidestroy, but uyakwazi ukuthi i-energy ne-energy ayifi, kodwa kunaloko i-energy ne-energy iyashintsha ibe enye into. Okay? So ngokwesayensi okusho ukuthi nawe ukufa kwakho umuntu, not ukuthi uyaphelelwa, but uyashintsha ube enye into. So lokho kuyachaza ukuthi if wena ulala nomuntu, ngeke nje ukuthi ukulala kwenu kuphele kwi-orgasm kube kuwukuthi sekuphelile ngesikhathi ufika kuvuthondaba. Kuba khona okuhlalelayo ngaphakathi, kuhlale nakuwena. Alright? Okunye kuzosala leyo nto kube i-bonding, mhlambe senibondile nalo muntu nizogcina sekune-relationship yangampela, niyathandana, kube i-attachment. Enye leyo energy yashintsha ibe yinhlungu, ibe i-pain, uthola ukuthi sunokuzisola ukuthi khona into eyenzekile. Enye energy ikwenze ukuthi ube creative, ngoba kubona uthandana nomuntu uthola ukuthi u-creative, uyabona une-enthusiasm njena, une-vibe yokuthi unezinto eziningi ufuna ukuzenza. Konke lokho kusuka kule energy oyishare naye lo muntu. So uyabona ukuthi i-energy nje yokuhlangana kwenu nokudavazana, leyo nto iyashintsha ngokwesayensi ibe yinto eziningi and ingagcina iy'nto eziningi. So buka-ke if kuwukuthi kuwena le energy ibe yinhlungu, so if kuwukuthi wena wenza ngalutho ukuthi uyisuse le energy yalowo muntu, ukuthi anisabonani for isikhathi eside, akusho ukuthi energy yakhe isukile kuwena, isakhona leyo energy, meaning wena kunento kumele uyenze kuze uyisuse leyo energy kuwena, so that lo muntu akasenayo ipower over wena. And lalela, akukona ngoba lo muntu naye ubekade ezama ukukuthakatha or ezama ukukugcinezela. Cha, it's just how science works. It's just how energy works, ukuthi ngesikhathi senihlangana senishare yonke into nama-emotions nawakhe uyawathatha. Lento ifana nani umuntu if kuwukuthi lo muntu une-depression, uhlale sad, lo muntu unexhala, uhlale worried, uyazi nawe ugcina sunjalo. njenganaye ngoba sumukele i-energy yakhe wayithatha wazoyifaka kuwena kwabe eyakho i-energy. Kuthi kudala senahlukana nalomuntu kodwa indlela we-reacta kuyona entweni ethize uzibona ukuthi hawu naku nami sengenza njengobani ingoba yasalela i-energy yakhe kuwena. So zithandwa zami kubalekile ukuthi kunezinto okufanele uzenze kuze wena le energy yalomuntu uyisuse kuwena. Now ngiyazi-ke lukhona baningi abantu osumcabanga ukuthi kushuthi yiko nje ngimphupha usibanibani, kushuthi nje yiko nje mengicabanga usibanibani noma mengimbona inhliziyo yami ishaya udambayi. Alright, akuyona into embi njalo zithandwa zami, but uyadinga ukuthi wenze something yokuthi uzikline wena, wenze something yokuthi uyisuse leyo nto kuwena. Before ngingena lapho ekuthi uziklina kanjani, uyisusa kanjani, aseke singene ekuthenini isintu sithini. Sithini isintu ngenxa ngento yokuthi mulale nomuntu kwenzeka kanjani. Asikhumbuleke ukuthi isintu umdavazo nje into ehlonipheke kabi. Ithina nje nawe no Dr. Mthembu siyikhulumayo lento ngoba siyazi ukuthi sifuna ukufundisana ngoba sifuna ukwakha imizi. Kodwa ngokwesintu ayikhulunywa nje kakhulu into yomdavazana because into le engcwele engakhulunywa noma ilaphi because bayayazi energy yayo ukuthi yini ithwele ini into yocansi nomdavazo. That is why nangokwesintu kunezinto ongazenza ukhuluma emsamo. For instance, if ukuthi kade nidavazene nomuntu kufanele uzile izinsuku ezithize before uyokhuluma emsamo, or you know, as much as ngithi ukukhuluma emsamo but ingoba into yasemsamo kuyinto nakhona sacred, so kufanele uzigeze before uzokwenza into enjalo. And hayi ngoba kuthiwa umdavazo ungcolile, but it's because kumele kumkhuleko lo wethu wesintu if ukuthi uyemsamo or ukhuluma nabantu bakini kumkhuleko. And when you do that you have to be pure in spirit, and for you to be pure in spirit kumele kube ukuthi akukho iora nespirit somunye umuntu eseduze nawe. That way you are able ukuthi uconnect kahle nabantu bakini, uconnect kahle noNkulunkulu wakho, okay, when you are pure of spirit. That is why nabanye bathi manje you must meditate and zone yourself, ukhiphe whatever, is because kubalekile ukuthi when you are connecting nomdali, when you are connecting noNkulunkulu wakho, it's important that you are pure of spirit. Now ngokwesintu-ke kuyahamba-ke kugcile kungene even more ngoba I think naseBhayibhelini kwakushiwo ukuthi uma umuntu wesifazane esesikhathini nawe owesilisa kumele uzigeze because you are connected ngaleso sikhathi. When she's on her period, as much as she's actually bleeding, but nawe you are supposed to be cleansing yourself ngoba you are connected souls manje. Okay, so that is why kubalekile ukuthi ungahamba udavaza la nala ngoba once you do that so uthatha yonke le energy of all these people isikuwena, so uhlangana nomunye umuntu ke manje so share le energy wena obuyihambe wayithatha kwabanye abantu. Kuba dangerous kakhulu ke zithandwa zami if kuukuthi for example udavazana nomuntu wena mhlambe ukhipha isisu. Alright, ngoba khumbula ukuthi ngokwesintu, ngoba ngisakhuluma ngesintu ke manje, ngoba ngokwesintu if umuntu eshonelwe, that is why kuthiwa kunezinto uyazila, there's things you don't do uma ushoneliwe until uzugeze. You must cleanse which whatever way, whether uklenza ngolwandle, ugeza ngosawoti, ugeza ngembozisi, ugeza noma yini le okudinga ukuthi ugeze ngayo, because leso spirit sokuthi lo muntu usehambile kumele ususe kuwena. Now, if wena udavazana nomuntu oshonelwe yingane, one, mhlambe lo muntu akaklinile or mhlamba akakholelwa even nakona ukuthi kumele ageze. And lalela, uma ngithi ukukholelwa, ukugeza doesn't mean tenza into edlozi. Ukugeza means hamba yolwandle uzigeze and you say you're letting it go, whatever it is, leso spirit less, okay? Walala nomuntu wena, lo muntu ukhipha isisu, leyo nto leso spirit sihleli kuwena, lobo mnyama lobo sobuhleli kuwena. Walala nomuntu, lo muntu le ubulela umuntu, leyo spirit leso sehleli kuwena. You are owning leso spirit. So that is why it's very important ukuthi if kuumuntu eningathembene naye, geza. If kuukuthi benihlangene ngokucansi ngoba uzomukela yonke into ayiyo, leyo nto sokuba yini sokuba yakho. Kuke kwenzeke-ke nabanye, ngiyazi baningi abafowethu abake beze kumina bathi, awu Dr. Mthembu, induku yami ibisebenza le, ayisebenzi le. Uthola ukuthi lo munye umuntu mhlawumpe wethandana nomuntu, naye i-energy yalowo muntu isakuyena, lo muntu usashona, mhlawumbe akazi nokwazi ukuthi lo muntu usashona. Lo muntu uzoba isidina phakathi kwenu. Uthole wena induku yakho ayivumi ukuvuka kulo muntu, kanti kunemoya yakhe anayo from ama-past relationships or ukushonelwa adlule kona nangakwazi. So it's important ukuthi if uzongena kwi-relationship entsha, yenzani something nje yokuklina, yokuthi nizikline, nizigeze. Again, uma ngithi ukuklina, angisho ukuthi ngoba ngikhuluma ngendaba yedlozi, ukuthi klina ngokwesinto ngedlozi, amanzi njalo nosawoti, ukusebenzisa ulwandle, ukuhamba yolwandle, lalela, yonke into iyaphila. Namanzi nje, uzothatha amanzi, njengoba ngisho nje ukuthi everything lives, everything is alive. Uyabona amanzi nje ubephila nje kanje ekuphilisa nawe kwawena. Njengoba amanzi ingane ikwazi ukuphila ngaphakathi kuwena, yakhiwe amanzi iziphile. Sonke-ke nescience yasho ukuthi sasuka kumanzi, amanzi ayaphila. So if wena uyakwazi ukuconnecta, ukhulume nje namanzi, ungafakiwe lutho, ungafakile nasawoti-ke loyo. Amanzi nje uzowaqamba, ukhulume nawo, watshele lento oyishoyo, azoyenza leyo nto oyithumayo, because uthatha i-energy yakho uyifaka kuwona amanzi, uyawathuma amanzi ukuthi enze leyo nto. Ngiyazi-ke abanye bake bakholela ukuthi uya kumthandazi akuthandazela amanzi ukuze wasebenzise lowo manzi ugeze ngawo. Lowo mthandazi ingoba uyakholelwa kulowo manzi, uyakhuluma nabathandazi. That is something you can do nawe, ukuthi if ukholelwa uwathandazele lowo manzi azokuzwa, kuze lowo manzi abamanzi azokuhlamba nawe, akhiphe lokho kungcola okukhona ngaphakathi kwena. So if kuwukuthi unomuntu omusha, very important, gezanani nje nobabili nihlambe nga-whatever enibhiliva kukona ukuthi niyahlamba ngako. Even if after seniqedile, ayibe khona into yokuthi nihlanzane, ugeze nawe azigeze naye azigeze. Kube wesi-ke kunina if uthi uyazi unomuntu wakho kodwa ubuye uthi Tshobi uye komunye umuntu, mhlawumbe umuntu womuntu, uyohlala uthi lo muntu ucushiwe, kanti cha, ulale nje nalo muntu wakhe, kanti lo muntu wakhe udiniwe ngoba mhlawumbe useyazi ukuthi umuntu wakhe uyamfebela. So leyo enga yalo muntu useyifakela kuwena-ke manje, isiyaziphilela even if umuntu azange azakucuphe. So we must be careful of wonke ama-energies lawo esiwathumelayo, singaboni ukuthi lama-energies siqhubeka nawo, siphila nawo. Now, wazi ngani-ke sithandwa sami, if kuwukuthi mhlampe wena ukuyona le trap yokuthi unomuntu osahlezi kuwena ngokomoya, kunomuntu osahleli kuwena spiritually, kunomuntu osakugcinezela kuwena spiritually, mhlambe kade senahlukane, kodwa lo muntu waze ubona ngani ukuthi lo muntu usahleli kuwena ngokomoya. One, uzobona ngokuthi kube nezinto ezivile zikukhumbuze. Nithola ukuthi uyazi ukuthi awusamfuni, uyazi ukuthi awusamthandi, kodwa uthi uma wenza into ethize umuzwe ukuthi angathula unukelwa iperfume yakhe nje, kade engenzekanga lutho, uze ukuthi hawu naku ukunukelwa iperfume yakhe. Mhlambe naxabana kabi nalo muntu, nahlukana, uzithole ngelanga umcabanga, uzithole wena ulwa naye engekho, uyamphendula ulwa naye, akekho lo muntu, kodwa wena sozifakele ukudinwa nama-emotions, akekho lo muntu, kodwa sozifakele yonke le mizwa ebengakudingakala ukuthi ibe khona. Alright? Uhlangana naye uvele ube novalo, ushaywe kakhulu uvalo. Abanye-ke ngiyazi bake bathi kusho ukuthi lo muntu ungisebenzisela umuthi or uyangithumela ebusuku ngoba ngiyamphupha, ngoba uzomphupha futhi umphuphe. Sometimes sithandwa zami akukona naloko ukuthi khona umuntu into ayenzayo kuwena, phela it's just a sign ukuthi wena do it for yourself, zenzele wena, hamba uyoziklina kuze imoya yalo muntu nento ekade eyiyo kuwe isuke. Again, akusho ukuthi lo muntu usamthanda, it just means ukuthi spirit sakhe nemoya yakhe isahleli kuwena. Uyabona-ke ngosinto ukuthi impilo yomuntu isuke ibaluleke kanjani nomphefumulo. Ukubona ukuthi uma kushoniwe, yes siyazila, kodwa kakhulu kuyagezwa, ngoba it's part of ukugeza that spirit ukuthi ungabi connected kwi-spirit salo muntu lo ongasekho. Same-ke nalana, ispirit somuntu it lingers, and it's important ukuthi masigeze ususe kuze kwasona ispirit leso sikhuleke siyoba inoma yini esesidalela ukuthi sibe yisona. So, sithando zami, ungenze njani-ke wena if kuwukuthi bhuti nawe sisi uyazibona ukuthi ugaxekile kulento ukuthi ukhona umuntu ohlezi kuwena nokuvimbela izinto zakho. One, kubalekile ukuthi ugeze, alright? Ngoba khumbula lo muntu akenzile lutho elwrong. Lo muntu naye mhlawumbe uziqhubekela ngempilo yakhe nje, wena afika agaxeleka kuwena, alright? So, zigeze wena, usawoti namanzi ungazigeza ngawo, imbozisi ungazigeza ngawo, isiqungwa ungazigeza ngaso, ulwandle uhamba ugeze khona ulwandle, ulahle khona ulwandle, impepho ungageza ngayo impepho, okay? Uyazi impepho ke ngiyafisa ukukhuluma ngayo ngoba ngiyazi uma ngikhuluma ngayo kukhona abanye benisithandwa zami abazothi ayi asiyithinta impepho asingeni impepho. Impepho doesn't mean ukuthi uma ukhuluma ngempepho it means umuntu owazi idlozi, okay? Ngoba impepho scientifically impepho ngoba ngathi ngizonifakela iscience ezintweni, impepho igama layo is called helichrysum, okay? Helichrysum is an oil that almost all perfumes owasebenzisayo anayo i-oil yempepho phakathi, okay? Instead, impepho is powerful. Impepho is powerful in healing. Impepho inhle entweni ezine i-pain, sengikhuluma nge-oil yayo-ke nje. Into eze-oil ozirabhayo zisuke zinempepho phakathi. Izinto zesikhumba zinempepho phakathi. By the way, le gama lithi helichrysum, angazi it's Latin yini, yazi lisho ukuthini? Lisho ukuthi immortal youth. Because why? Impepho is used ukuthi ube young and look good. Okay? So asingavumi izinto ezigcinezela izinto zethu zesintu zibonakala ngathi zi-demonic kanti kwenzela ukuthi thina siziyeke lezo zinto ngoba zizinhle. Impepho uzoyikha nje laphayana ungakhulumeli namuntu, ungakhulume ngadlozi, yona nje iyimpepho izikhulela ilaphayana uzoyithatha uyisebenzise. Impepho is good for meditation ngoba it helps to calm you down, it helps to relax you. That is why endulo babesebenzisa yona ukuthi bakhulume ba-communicate nabantu abadala is because impepho uthi muyishisile izokwenza ukuthi calm it down wena. It's a good relaxant ukuthi izorelaxa kuze ukwazi ukuthi focus, it's going to help you to focus futhi kuze ukwazi ukuthi muthandaza whoever omthandazayo, okay? But khumbula ngokwesintu awuthandaza amadlozi, uthandaza uNkulunkulu, okay? But whatever okhuluma nayo, even if you want to talk to yourself, ufuna ukukhuluma connecta nawe, impepho will help you kulezo zinto. All right? So, impepho is good even no cleaner spirits, ugly spirits. So that is why if ngithi ungayisebenzisa impepho ufake emanzini ugeze ngayo because it's very good for cleansing spirits. Kuwena ongayifuni impepho, you can use into ezifana ne-basil, right? Ngoba nayo it's also used for the same thing as impepho, ama-bay leaf. Okay, lokho kuphekwa ngako nako it's a plant ungayisebenzisa nayo same ukuthi ugeze ngayo, isiqungwa njengoba ngishilo. So kunezinto okufanele uzenze ukuthi nje physically and noma yini wayithuma ukuthi manje ngiyageza ngisusa ukuthi futhi ukhulume ngoba that vibration oyenzayo yokukhuluma is sending to energy and ishintsha ne-energy yakho. That's very important ukuthi ukhulume. Nokugquma is important. Noma ungaqhuma ngani, ungaqhuma ngamanzi nje, uqhuma ngamanzi nosawoti, uqhuma ngamanzi olwandle, konke lokho kuzoyisusa imoya yomunye umuntu kuwena because ngesikhathi uqhuma kuvuleka iziqu zakho zoboya. Through iziqu zakho zoboya i-energy enye isiyaphuma lapho. So ukwazi ukuthi uma ukhuluma ugquma uyayikhipha leyo energy yomunye umuntu. Abanye ke bathanda ukuthi bakhuleke, ungakhuleka emakhandleleni, that is verbal, uyakhuluma and you are still letting go and you letting out that energy yomunye umuntu. Umuntu wesifazane kuyenzeka ukuthi energy yomunye umuntu nento azenza omunye umuntu ihlala kwisibeletho sakho. Yithi noma uthandaza ukhuleka ukhulume naso isibeletho sakho usho ukuthi imoya nani kwisibeletho sakho ikhiphe uzenzele wena. And noma yini sithandwa zami if ukuthi when you are focused ukhuluma ngawe kuwe ngayo leyo nto izokhothamela, it will be obey and izophuma. So khuluma nesibeletho sakho umuntu wesifazane ngoba mhlambe kunemoya ehlezi khona esegcinezele ukuthi wena ungatholi ingane kanti leyo moya is from your past experiences and is from your past, your exes nezinto bona or ex bakho abadlula kuzona. All right? So as much as uzokwenza lokho this time, yenza sure ukuthi uma kuwukuthi uzothola umuntu omusha you are connecting naye lo muntu ugeze nawe ngoba ufuna nawe ukuhambise yakhe energy ne-trauma kuleyo muntu. And each time atulale nomuntu akuhlaza umuntu ongamthembi kahle, thola something uzigeze nje ngoba uyazi ukuthi wena wenze njani, upurifier and ugeza i-system ne-aura ne-energy that is governing you, that is around you. Okay, sithando zami, sizivala. Remember, like i-podcast yami, subscribe, ufake i-notification. Next week ngizobe ngi-live ke next week siqhubeka nawo uNtomzodwa nama-demonstrations nanovusumuzi. Kodwa as sivala le Easter weekend, khumbula ukuthi what is most sacred, into eyigugu neyingcwele kakhulu nge-Easter ukuthi wena ubani ekhaya. Awuke ekhaya wena ube ukuthula, ekhaya iba uthando, ekhaya awuke ube njena isitsha sothando nokuthula nenjabulo kini emzini wakho. Yithi noma nidavazana nomuntu wakho, ama-mons akho kube like i-meditation, i-pleasure yonke oyizwayo noyinika umuntu wakho, nenze sure ukuthi it's like your own kind of worship. Because sex is sacred, because sex is spiritual, because noma uconnecta nomuntu, connecta naye ngako konke oyiko ngoba vele lokho oyiko uyamnikeza kona konke. So as sizovala weekend, khumbula sithando zami, thandanani nomuntu wakho, nihloniphane, mhlawumbe nje nike nirevisithe leli langa enahlangana ngalo ukuthi how ayikhumbula kodwa leli langa esahlangana ngalo wathi ngathi kuba mnandi kanje. Kodwa futhi nikhulise i-relationship yenu, rebuild and reconnect ku-relationship. Mhlawumbe ke ntshelani nomunye asho ukuthi nazi izinto engizithandayo ngawe, nomunye athi nazi izinto engizithandayo ngawe, nomunye asho ukuthi nansi into engiyi-appreciate-ayo ngawe ukuthi uma kuthiwa wukho ngingahlupheka la, ngingahlupheka la. So uvaluable kumina ngenxa yezinto ezithize. And nakhona as umtshela lo muntu wakho, mhlambe umbhalele note ngokuthi umthanda kanjani, yini oyithanda ngayo, or umsendele voice note, thando zami umuhle la, ngiyabonga ngokuthi ngoba amazwi ewodwa, again ngiphinda kwi-energy, amazwi ayi-vibration. Uma wena ukhipha i-vibration enhle uyikhiphela kumuntu wakho omthandayo, iyamila, ibe isimila, ibe isihlahla esihle esokhulisa ubudlelwane bakho, esokhulisa ubudlelwane benu. Nibe nempela sonto enhle sithando zami, nibe nesonto elihle. Mina ngiyohlangana nani next Sunday. There will be sex in this place on Sunday with Intimate with Dr. Mthembu. See you then. Bye.
Welcome to Medelution Lifestyle Wellness Clinic and Spa, where health is everything. As an integrative medical practice, we offer holistic, individualistic treatments. Each journey begins with a full blood screen and a complete medical examination, followed by a personal treatment program tailored to your unique needs. We also offer a wide range of services including weight loss programs, detox programs, skin and beauty treatments, aesthetics, stress therapy, and lifestyle coaching. We are located at 6 Old Main Road, Bothos Hill, South Africa. Find out more on our website www.medelution.co.za or contact us on 031 765 8475 or send us an email at info@medelution.co.za. We are open Monday to Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. and Saturday from 8 a.m. to 1 p.m.